Hi there, everyone. Joseph Yannick here with Farmers Insurance. I'm here to talk about business property insurance along with commercial building insurance today, and just kind of wanted to educate you guys on having the right coverage versus not having the right coverage. So just to kind of start off, just are you guys a business owner or do you currently lease out? If you do, I'm sure that you're aware that commercial insurance isn't cheap for your business. If it's a business, rates vary based off the risk, the history of the claims that you've had. Every business owner in the state of California must have commercial insurance. So it's got to be, if you're audited, you don't have it. It's a policy that they put in place to protect you from any type of liability and all your personal property that you use for your business. If you own a restaurant and you have a client that comes in and slips and falls in the restroom, which turns into somewhat of a lawsuit, this is where you want your liability limits to be at least 2 million. On your commercial insurance policy, will come into play. Restaurants are typically more liable to accidents due to the high exposure of people. The majority of restaurants, for insurance companies, will charge based off the total amount of sales. With farmers, it's rated based off the public square footage of this building. This is what makes the price stay the same no matter how much your sales increase over the years. Farmers currently insures about 20% of the restaurants in California based off price. Farmers is one of the most competitive for restaurants. So that's just typically one of the industries that we do a lot of. Um, if you own a building, multi-unit property, retail space, hotel, industrial building, you want to have the right commercial insurance policy in place. This policy is in place to protect the building in case of any drastic event, such as fire, wind damage, lightning, leaks, along with any incident with the tenants and clients being injured. So the majority of building owners, homeowners, and property managers, they typically like to require that your tenant gets a renter's insurance policy. So that way, it'll also cover them for if the liability limit gets super high. Also, just you know, giving them a place to reside if there's any repairs going on or if there's any type of flood. So for insurance policies like these, you can always shop around online. You can try to find a good rate, but what it simply comes down to is having the right insurance professional that's going to have your best interests in price, as well as having the right coverage. So depending on the industry, we can always kind of find um, a competitive product that's going to cater towards our clients. We want all of our clients to know that they can call me, our agency, at any time of day in the event of an emergency so that we can walk them through the process. So give us a call so that we can protect everything you own at a competitive rate. Have a wonderful day.